let's take a look at what happens with consultants. With consultants, there are three options for them, or three opportunities, I would say. First one is if they're just a consultant and they haven't purchased, i.e. they're not members. What happens is every single painting that is sold through them, we'll do my painting again, they will receive between 6 to 20% in direct sales commission. What this means is every single sale they close themselves, that they personally make, they will receive between 6 to 20%. This doesn't necessarily have to mean they have to have sourced the clients themselves. They might have, sourced their first client, who then buys a painting, right? But they might have they might have then got referrals from this client for, say, another 3 clients, and they might get another further 3 referrals out of these clients. This might only give 2 referrals, but for every single deal closed, which the direct sales, which the consultant sells directly himself, he will receive the direct sales commission for all the sales made. What this gives the consultant a very good opportunity to basically earn money straight away, very quickly within the payment plan. The second opportunity for the consultant is that for them to become members. For them to become members is beneficial because that means they have points in the system. If they have points in the system, they receive benefits from the global profit share system, which is good news for them. Plus, every single sale they make personally, for every single direct sale, like in this one, which is their own personal clients, the clients' even numbered points will drop in to the personal points of the consultant. Okay, what that means is they will be treated as a referring member within the business. So for every 60 points, it will fill 1 point of their own personal points in the matrix, and they will receive a point maturity payout of €225, as all the members do. Now, the consultant can become a member in one of 2 ways. The first one is they buy a painting themselves, okay? Or the second one is if they generate €18,000 worth of personal sales, okay? What this will give them for having done that is CAW will give them a €1,000 voucher to spend in the gallery, and obviously they can actually put more money to that if they like. If not, they can just basically spend €1,000 and they can buy a piece of art. And obviously if they sign up for membership, which they will do in this case, is they'll receive point value of the purchased art. Okay, and at this point, the point value for each one, say for example if they buy a piece of painting and they got 10 points, okay, for those 10 points you get 10 times 225, it means they'll receive an extra €2,250 for being a member and having points in the matrix. Let's take a look at, so we've got 2 revenues here. The first one is a direct sales commission, okay. The second one is obviously having points in the matrix themselves, which they can do in one of 2 ways. They can either buy, or they can generate €18,000 worth of personal sales, very important, within the matrix, and that will also generate them a voucher which they can spend in the gallery. They normally have 3 months to do that in. The third opportunity for the consultants is the team management bonus. Management bonus. this is what we call leveraged income. This is receiving payouts or money for work you've already done. This is the most interesting aspect of the business for anybody in sales. Obviously within sales, what you'll find is most of the time people will get paid one-off when they're doing a one-off sale, which is very good. But here what we aim is for them to want to build a business rather than just selling 1, 2 or 10 paintings individually. Obviously the business is revenue driven, so the sales are important, but we would like to give anybody who's got the desire to want to build their own business rather than just be a sales consultant full time. What this means is the team management bonus. Say for example, if you've got obviously you've got points yourself, say if you've got 10 points, you know that that's going to pay you out 2,250 because it's 225 euros per point. Okay. Now, what happens is if you've got a personal customer who's also got 10 points himself or herself, for every single point that this customer pays out, whether that be through referral or through the GPSS or through the business the consultant brings in directly, because obviously the points overflow, which we'll just call overflow in this case. It doesn't matter how it pays out, whether it's one of these three or all three of them that generate towards a payout. 1 point on this level will pay out 50 euros. Okay? If this person also referred other customers, say over here they've also got 10 points each. Okay, what will happen now, so we're looking at the first level is 50 euros, okay, second level is 40 euros, and this is per point. Okay, so in this case on the second level we've got 10 plus 10 is 20 points, okay, times 40, which gives you 800 euros upon maturity of the points. So when these two customers here have 1 point mature and pay out, you'll receive 40 euros. Obviously you've got 20 points, so 20 times 40 is 800 euros. Third level, in other words, if these people have also sponsored other people. Fourth level, fifth level, etc., etc. It basically goes 50, 40, 25, 25, 15, 15, 10, 7, 7, 7. And this is the payout per point, and it actually pays 10 levels deep. This is the most lucrative part of the business, and we will come back on to exactly how this works. So let's recap. For the consultants, we've got the opportunity of direct sales commission, the personal points, as well as team management bonus. 3 opportunities to earn income: direct sales commission, points, their own personal points in a matrix, and 3, which is the team management bonus. This is the residual income, the leveraged income. This is the one everybody wants to work towards.